Today we're going to be talking about hats, and I'm going to try to make a survival hat, I guess, or like an expedition hat. So, I got this hat when I went to Shenandoah National Park for a backpacking trek, like literally last week coming to Friday, and today's Sunday, so we ended up recently. I went on a backpacking trip and I got this hat as a souvenir. Before we do any sort of assembly, we gotta figure out what we want to have on this hat. So obviously I need some sort of way to start a fire. So fire, food, water, and shelter are the next big things. So fire kind of covers water. I kind of want to keep it low profile, and there's a little lip here. I'll bring that up to the camera. So right behind, where you see my finger go, right behind there's a little lip which I can stash things in, and they should stay nice and secure. Nice to include some sort of way to be found, but I don't think that's really going to be possible with the hat. So we're going to do fire and food. Water, hopefully I'll have some sort of a steel pot or something like that. We'll see, but I'm also going to include a little razor blade for a knife. So a list of things to include are matches, striker, knife, fishing line, hooks, a couple of band-aids probably some jute cord. I have a collection of feathers here. What I'm thinking is this feather right here. Ooh, that's a nice size right there. Yeah, that'll fit just right. Oh, another thing, a little bit of tape. I've now acquired everything for our survival hat. And it took about less than a second for you, but it took about 5 minutes for me. Let's just start by putting the band-aids under there. Even there, you can see, this is what I mean by the side pouch. You can see there the band-aids, they stick in and they sit right there on the side. And it's just a nice little shelf, and when I put the hat on, I can't even feel that there's anything there. So next what we gotta do is we have to take our 3 matches and we have to shape them down so that we can stick them through this webbing on the hat. And this is a trucker hat, so it's that style of hat. So I need to shave these down so that I can go through the holes without damaging them. So I can have my 3 matches, which is all you should need to start a fire. Actually, this is all you should need to start 3 fires. I need to shave these down using a piece of sandpaper. I just have our sandpaper on a block. The sandpaper I found will work pretty well. And I'm just gonna shape that down until it's small enough to fit through the hole without damaging it. There we go, I got my 3 matches. They're all ground down and on the side there, you can see. I think it looks pretty cool, it looks nifty. And I have to do one last thing, which is install the feather. There we go. That's the feather end. So what do you think? There we go, we got our feather and we got all the stuff on the side, you can see. Safety pin. Here we got our 3 matches and our safety pin with all of our first aid stuff. And from the front, I can't see it very well. Here, let me pull out my phone. I'll get an auxiliary recording. Syncing everything up, can you, yeah, okay, sure. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, no, that's gonna... Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Ooh, we got double camera there. That's gonna be pain to edit, but It'll be funny. Okay. So let's do an outro now. I'm Michael here with Adventure Bros. We'll see you next week.